Cry. Baby, why you cry? Baby, don't cry. Look, we're outside. See the bump? Yeah, don't worry. Now we go to the bumpy part, and then she likes this. And then this should put her to sleep. Oh, Daddy's stuck. Schroeder stuck. You like that? Oh, no. Still crying. Try again. More bumps. Bumps has been working. Worked earlier today. Let's see now. Bump. Uh-oh. You asleep? This is Bumpy. But look, she's asleep. Hi. Hi, Maxie. Maxie and Cooper are here. Does that wake you up, baby? Hi. How are you?